Good morning dear students. Welcome to all of you in our new video. In this video we are discussing some new exercises, but before going to solve this, please watch all the videos because these videos will help you in order to solve the exercises. So keep watching and keep practicing. Shall we start here? Okay. So here dear students, one question is there. In this triangle ABC, now triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle which is given, in which altitudes BE and CF, okay, BE and CF, these are two altitudes which are given, which are drawn to equal sides. They are drawn to equal sides, AC and AB respectively, and show that altitudes are equal. Means here we asked to show that CF and B, they are equal. Now dear students, as it is given ABC is isosceles triangle, one. Next, here altitudes are given BE and CF. These are the two altitudes which are also given, and these altitudes are drawn onto the equal sides AB and AC respectively. That is given, right? So as it is isosceles triangle, so sides are equal. The AB equal AC. On these equal sides, the altitudes are drawn, right? Means on side AC, B is drawn, and on side AB, EF is drawn. And we will show that these altitudes, what are altitudes here? BE and CF. This is first altitude and this is second altitude. We asked to show these two altitudes are equal. Now we will see this. Now here it is given. What is given? ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay. Then in which altitudes B and CF. Now in triangle ABC, this CF side and side B are known as the altitudes. So if it is altitude, then it is drawn to the equal side. AC and AB, the sides are equal as it is isosceles triangle. So AC and AB respectively, altitudes are drawn onto the equal sides AB and AC respectively. B is on AC and CF is on AB. So it is given. Now in triangle ABE, now here is AB, dear students, ABE, this triangle, and ACF, we are considering these two triangles. Now in this angle A, this angle ABE and ACF, okay. Now in these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. As it is clearly seen, this angle is common for both this triangle and this triangle, means ABE and for ACF. So angle A is common. One point is cleared here. Next, angle AEB. Now where is AEB? AEB is equal to angle AFC. Angle AFC. Now it is clearly seen that the angle AEB, if you observe this, it is of 90 degree, one, and angle AFC is also of 90 degree. So we are equating them. Angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. They are equal, each of 90 degree. Next point, first point is angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. Now here angle E and angle F, they are also equal as both are being 90 degree, and AB equal AC. AB equal AC. Where is AB? This side. And where is AC? This side. AB equal AC. Why we say like that? AB equal AC because ABC is isosceles triangle. Now here watch carefully. We are equating angle. Here is also we are equating angle. So it composite two angles, and this side means we are equating two angles and side simultaneously. Here we are equating two angles and side, angle, side, right? So we have the properties to form the congruency between two triangles, out of which here we are using rule angle, side, right? So here two angles and one side are equal. Okay, two angles and one side. Two angles and one side means angle, side. By using angle, side congruency rule, we may say that BE equals CF. BE equal CF. We may say that BE equals CF by use of the CPCT. CPCT, common point of common triangle. Hence we equate BE equals CF by using CPCT. So students, we are forming the congruency by some property, and those properties are given in my previous video and in textbook as well. So I request you all, please go through all these congruency rules, because these rules are important in order to forming the congruency between the given two triangles. Now here we come the next question, which is given as this triangle ABC. Look here, I read the question first. Triangle ABC and DBC. Okay, ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on same base BC. Then show that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Here I read again. Please listen carefully. ABC and DBC are known as the isosceles triangle on the same base. The base is common here, which is also given, and we will show that angle ABD, this angle is equal to angle ACD. This is what we have to prove here. Now if you find the solution here, it is given, what is given? It is given that ABC, this ABC and DBC, okay, we are dealing with these two triangles, ABC and DBC. They are known as the isosceles triangle, okay, which is given in the question itself, that the given two triangles ABC and DBC, they are known as the isosceles triangle. And here we make one construction. We have to join this A with D. We are making one construction here. Let us join A, D. Okay, if we join this A with D, now here by using this AD, it divides in triangle ACD, this triangle, and ABD. Okay, it divides two triangle ABD and ACD. Now, if you observe this triangle carefully, we are just focusing on the two triangles ABD and ACD. Now, in these two triangles, AB equal AC, AB equal AC, side is common as it is isosceles triangle, so sides must be equal. AB equal AC is given, BD equal CD, this side BD equal CD, which is also given. Okay, these 2 points they are already given to us, and AD equal AD. If you observe this AD is common for both the triangle. ABD and ACD means point side AD is common to both the triangle. Now, AD equal AD is common side. Now, dear students, we are equating these sides. Okay, one is AB equal AC, which is given. Then BD equal CD, which is also given, and AD equal AD equal AD because it is common point. Now, if you watch all these points carefully, what are they? They are common sides. Okay, AB equal AC, it is also one side. BD equal CD, it is also one side. AD equal AD is also one side. So we are equating here side, side and side. Okay, so it will form one congruency rule. This is forming one congruency rule. This side AB equal AC, AB equal AC, this first side. Then BD equal CD, this side, and AD equal AD, which is common side to both the triangle. So these two triangles ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. Okay, we are forming the congruency between ABD and ACD. So we make these two triangles as congruent by use of which rule, dear students? Here we know the side, side and side. So by using side, side, side rule, okay, side, side, side rule, we can say that ABD is equal to ACD. ABD is equal to ACD, and this we are equating by using common part of common triangle. So by using SSS rule, we come to know that these two triangles ABD and ACD are equal by using side, side, side congruency rule, and by forming this equivalence, we can say that this ABD is equal to ACD by using CPCT, which is known as the common point, common triangle, and hence we conclude that this ABC equal ACD. Now, I request to all, please watch the rules which are given in the textbook, because these rules will help you to solve the exercises, as well as you have to watch all the videos very carefully. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Till then, it's goodbye. Thank you.